Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to limit sensitive content on Instagram on iPhone and Android. Instagram is filled with all kinds of content, and while the platform tries to keep things pretty safe, you must still come across posts that feel inappropriate or uncomfortable. Fortunately, Instagram offers a built-in sensitive content control that allows you to limit what you see, whether you are using an iPhone or Android device. Adjusting this setting helps you create a safer, more positive browsing experience based on your preferences. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. And then you have to tap on the profile tab at the bottom. Then you have to hit the menu button at the top right. And then you have to head over to what you see section and choose content preference option. Then you have to select sensitive content option. And finally you have to choose less option and you're all set. Going forward, you will see less amount of sensitive content on Instagram. So now you know how to limit sensitive content on Instagram using an iPhone or Android device. By customizing this simple setting, you can take control of what appears in your Instagram feed, Reels, and Explore pages. Now that you have unlocked this hidden feature, make the most of it to enhance your Instagram experience, and I'll catch you up in the next one.